Here's how to hit the perfect backhand clear, drop, and smash. A step-by-step tutorial. First is the backhand clear. Now before we start, we have to talk about the grip that we need. So our neutral hand trip grip in. But the difference is that for the backhand clear, we need to rotate our racket slightly to the right of our hand, meaning our thumb is gonna be on this 45 degree of the racket. Why is this important? If our thumb was not there, then our racket face would be facing outwards, making us hit out of the court. Now, for our footwork, we start in our neutral stance with our dominant foot in front. Of course, first you want to push off with your dominant foot, take one step, and then two. Of course, if the shot is further, you can make some adjustments and do a shuffle, and then 1, 2, if you need to come all the way to the back. Now that you have your grip and your footwork, your 1, 2 down, from here, we're gonna break the swing down into 3 main parts. Number 1 is our pull. You wanna make sure you keep your elbow relatively high and not down. Now your 2 is going to be your elbow coming forward, like you're doing, boom, you're elbowing someone in the nose who's taller than you. Okay, so 1, 2, and on 3, it's always a hit that uses pronation. You never hit shots straight like this using your arm. It's always like a whip. You're going to rotate your wrist, forearm, and fingers to hit that shot flat, okay? So pronate, mainly your forearm and your wrist, and as you're contacting the bird, you wanna rotate your fingers and then grip the rackets to hit the shot. Our next shot is gonna be the backhand drop. Again, starting with our grip, we go into our neutral grip. Now for the drop, we actually need to shift it just a little bit more. You can shift it to almost to the side of the handle. Now, why is this important? One is that you still need to swing fast, but the bird can't travel too far. Meaning, if you're hitting it straight like this, you might be generating too much power on the drop, making the shot travel too far. So ideally, we want to have, I wouldn't say a full slice, but a carry motion as you go across. A slight swipe and carry motion so that you can slow down the speed of the bird. Everything else is going to be relatively the same. You push off, you do your footwork, 1, 2. This is always the same, 1, 2. But on contact point, you're still going to use this part just with a little bit less forearm and wrist, and just focus more on your fingers and wrapping it around the bird. Now what's important for consistency for the backhand drop shot is that after you wrap around the bird, you follow through your shots so that you can guide it all the way through. Our last shot is gonna be the backhand smash, starting with the grip. The smash is gonna be a little bit less from the clear, so 45 degrees, but a little bit less. Now, how does this work? Footwork, all of this, all the same. One thing that's important and different in a smash shot is that you need to generate power on your step when you're smashing. So when you're smashing down, clears and drops, you can just do casual, boom. But because this one, you need to use your full body power, you need to do a hard step down. Stepping down also gives power going up, okay? You're generating power down by generating power up. So altogether, it's gonna be more continuous. It's 1, 2, hit. Join our YouTube memberships to decide what videos we make next, and I think you'll like these videos too.